All around, we have some problems, which of course should be solved. That's why today I made 3 stages in which you will understand what is the problem, how you will find it, and what patterns do you need to solve it efficiently. So the stage number 1 is what are problems? Actually, problems are everywhere. I'll show you a good example. If you go to the grocery store, you look at this and you see the whole picture. You see the products, you see the lights, you see the music on the background, and there are so many problems which people find in this specific place to solve them for themselves. So you go to the grocery store, you know the problem, what should you buy, what should you cook. That's why you search for this problem in your head and you're instantly buy this by solving it. So easy is that. So problems are everywhere. Everywhere. Even in this pen, we have this to write something. This is a problem. And this is a problem which is already solved. Problems are everywhere. And all of them can be solved. So the stage number 2 is all about to find those problems. What is my problem and how to find this? I discovered one thing. It does not matter how much times you ask yourself, what problem should I solve? Crucial for a problem solver, and especially if you're finding this problem. So, for example, you don't have to think, what is my problem? But you have to be more specific about your problem. What are you struggling? Where do I waste my time on? Which is, for example, on scrolling on TikTok or a social media. Procrastination overall. Where do I waste time? What do I hate about my life? For example, every single day I have to do certain thing which is not matter and I don't like it. And this is your solution, this is your problem. You gotta solve. This is all. So this is about to ask right questions. For example, what annoys me every day? What annoys me? That I wake up late. I cannot build my sleep schedule. Dude, make a plan. Solve the problem and sell it. That's your problem. For example, with sleep, it's actually a good idea. You can take it from me. Or another stage will be to find a topic where the problem is remaining and can be solved. For example, the easiest thing to find a problem is when you have this problem. So ask yourself, with what topic do I have the problem? For example, with school, fitness, relationship, family, procrastination. What is your problem? So you can solve it first of all for you. This is the easiest approach to find a problem. Stage number 3. If you have found your problem, now you have to solve this efficiently. And now I'm gonna tell you how to do this. First, don't write just one problem. Write at least 3. It's the best approach to this. Because next stage will be, what's the level of your problem? Because if you've made a worldwide problem, which is a problem, but you cannot unfortunately solve it, it's unapproachable problem which cannot be solved until you reach some sort of level to be able to solve it. So find 3 small problems which can be solved, and you know that you have to and you'll be able to solve it. For example, a timer. I don't know. What are you struggling? I don't know with which topic are you struggling. That's the problem basically. That's why you have to know the stage and level of your problem to be able to solve it efficiently. So after this all, you have identified your problem. You know what patterns are to identify your problem and how to solve this efficiently. You focus only on one thing. And now, on the final stage, we build a framework how to solve this problem. For example, phone procrastinations, scrolling. What I have to do? I have to build an app which blocks apps for some sort of time, so I can just relax. Or it blocks my phone every single 15 minutes and tells me to do push-ups. Something like this, you know? And then you have this app, you have this thing in your mind, and then you build a framework, right? So first build an app, then make HTML file, make design, blah blah blah. Build this whole framework, just basically step-by-step guide which you can solve. This is the easiest thing you can do. And then if you have this framework, this step-by-step guide how to build your app or a solution for your problem, you just basically do it. And this is the main thing. Without action, it's just dust. And everything what I said here, without action is... So without action, you have nothing and you're just thinking about the problem. And not taking action is the worst thing you can do if you're solving any problem in this world. Thanks for watching. There was a simple explanation how to solve problems, how to identify them, and how to deal with them.